Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about select and select distinct statement. Now for time being I have already created a table named as orders, and this table contain some columns named as order ID, customer name, item name, age and delivery address. Now, if you want to see the table and the data stored in this table, how you can see that? So for this, we will use select statement here, and we will write select statement like this: select star from the table name, and in my case, it's orders. And now if I execute this query, you can see the whole table and its data available here, like order ID 121. His name is John and he ordered pizza. He's of 20 years old and he is from US, like this. Now, why I put star here? So I put star here because I want to access all the fields available in orders table. If I just want to access some specific fields or specific columns from this table, I have to mention the name of those fields. Like if I want just order ID and item name to be displayed, so I have to mention those. So I will mention order ID and item name. So only order ID and item name will be displayed. Like 121, he's ordering pizza. Order ID of 124 ordered fruit jelly, like this. So this is about select statement. Now, what is select distinct? So let me see you the whole table for you for better understanding. Now, sometimes you don't want duplicate values from from a field in a table, right? Just like here for delivery address, here we can see here are multiple countries available in this field: US, France, America, India, blah blah blah. And America, like America is present two times here, Argentina is present two times here. But if you want to access this countries only once, like if you want America to be shown only once, you don't want the duplicacy of these values, you can do that using a select distinct statement. So how can you do that? So for this, select distinct keyword, and you have to mention the field name from which you want to access the distinct values. So in my case, suppose it's delivery address, right? And I want to select the distinct values from here. So it's delivery address. So select distinct delivery address from orders. This is my query, and I will execute this. You can see that US, France, America, India, Brazil, and all the other countries are present only once. But if I remove this distinct keyword from here, you can see these countries will be duplicated. Like America is again present two times, and Argentina is again present two times here. So I hope you got the basic difference between select and select distinct query, and you can now access the data from a table very well. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.